Happy New Year, students. Welcome back. I see everyone is looking sharp and ready to learn, I hope. I like to start off my first day of class with a pop quiz. So the papers you see on your desk, it's a small test for me to use ascertain what level you're at. So I'm going to ask you please to finish it. You have 30 minutes. You may begin.
Sir! Suppose more than 30 minutes you answer the question.
No, Mr. Footneck, you have to complete it within 30 minutes because at that point I'm going to take the test papers away from you.
Alright, sir!
Sir!
Yes, Mr. Junior.
Sir, how come we only get 30 minutes to answer so much questions?
Mr. Junior, it's not a lot of questions. Just use your time wisely, please.
Me need to take 30 minutes with me and my girlfriend and play a dolly out.
Junior! Mr. Footneck! Mr. Footneck! Mr. Footneck, what are you doing? Mr. Footneck! Mr. Footneck, why on God's earth are you taking off your clothes?
Sir, and I use it in this.
Mr. Footneck, what are you talking about?
You forgot about question number 8.
Using the following sentence, answer the next questions in brief. Footneck!
Some of the time you have to come closer.
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Shout out production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.